Today's Country 95.5.
Evan and Charlie, we are back once again this week for another air fryer video. One thing I've always wondered, can you do hard-boiled eggs in an air fryer? Well, we're gonna find out. Recipe very simple this week. All you will need is 4 cold eggs. So you take the eggs, and you put them in your air fryer basket. Now that the eggs are in there, we are going to set our air fryer at 250 degrees for about 14 to 16 minutes. We are going with 16. Air fryer just went off. It's time to open it up and see if they've exploded. They have not.
These little brown spots are just from if your air fryer still has like a little bit of dirt on it, the eggs tend to pick it up, so don't worry about those.
Then you take the eggs out of your air fryer, put them right into an ice water bath. Alrighty, well, time to crack one of these open and see if it actually cooked all the way through. And that fell apart super easy. Oh, look at that. Perfectly cooked all the way through, hard-boiled egg in the air fryer. Now you know you can make them.